Alrighty guys, it is February 15th, just a little after 9 a.m. and we probably got 4 inches of fresh snow on the ground. It's still snowing, coming down pretty good. We're gonna be heading to that same lake we were at last week and where we got on a good crappie bite. Between two guys, we probably caught 100 crappie. A lot of small ones, but there were some big ones mixed in, and we ended up catching a few to fry up. So it was a pretty fun day. We got pretty similar conditions from last week, and so hopefully we get a nice crappie bite. I'm going to be kind of fishing in the same area, same lake, and we're going to try to catch them on the finicky foolers. So stay tuned and we'll see you guys out there. Alright guys, we were just setting up this finicky fooler and it just went off. There's a bunch of crappie down there, it appears. Crappie.
She'll let me get that.
Just a little guy, not a bad one. You absolutely choked that minnow. First crappie. Nice, I put the underwater camera down there and there's a bunch of fish. They're all suspended. That's just a little one. Alrighty guys, just got our first crappie, not a big one, but we put the underwater camera down there. There's a bunch of fish suspended, a few crappies. Put the finicky fooler down there. We're just setting it up and we couldn't even get the flag set up and it was taking line already, and then we caught this little guy. So hopefully there's plenty more to follow. Pretty similar conditions to last weekend when we got on a good crappie bite, so high hopes. You gotta just make sure you shut the bail, okay? And just set the hook.
Look
at that. Nice.
My first crappie.
Good job. Alright guys, we're putting the second finicky fooler in and we can't even get them set and they're going off. Let's see what we got here. Feels nicer. Just kidding. They are absolutely inhaling it. This is my second one. Olivia got one. Look at that.
I think that one's dead.
Possibly. Alrighty guys, finally about to drop a jig down there. We're in 11 feet of water. And got the shack set up. Drilled some holes in there. There's about 10 inches of snow on the ice. There's a bunch of fish down there. Quite a few crappie in the area. Not sure how big they all are. It's hard to tell on the underwater camera, but there's a lot of fish around. Some of them are suspended, so we're gonna drop down there and see what happens. There we go, we're hooked up. We're hooked up. Nice crappie. Yep, a keeper. Be a nice keeper. First fish jigging and first decent crappie. You got it? You get him? Huh? All right. Oh, nice. That's bigger than mine.
I gotta get it.
Here.
Get the snow off.
Sweet. All right, guys, this one just went up. I was about to check it. I was walking right to it and it went up. Line is off to the side. That's good. Got whatever it is. Look at that little thing. That thing is tiny. Gosh, they're eating these minnows so good. Messing up his mouth. There we go. Camera. Get away. There we go. That's a nice fish. Very nice one. Oh yeah. Just got a nice one. Yep. Both the same size. Just switched holes and checked the foolers. Make sure the minnows were good, and first drop down we get a nice crappie. Another nice one. Oh yeah. It's a good one. Hi girl, good job. I got some big marks down here. Oh, line just went slack. Another one. Smaller. Another one. Oh yeah, another nice one. Just smoking this thing. Jeez, on the drop down again. Another keeper. Yeah. Dropping that one down and that guy smoked it. There is a bigger minnow on this one, so it might be a keeper. Mine's off to the side. Got him. Doesn't look big.
Mm-mm. Good guy.
Little guy. That's cool. Minnow just, he was coming up the hole, the minnow fell. That's really cool. Nice job. There we go. Nice. Nice sunfish. It's a good keeper. That's a crappie. Nope, it's a sunfish. Felt like a crappie. Another nice keeper. Alright guys, snow stopped and the bites kind of slowed down for crappie wise. So took that opportunity to put some tip-ups in. We put 2 tip-ups in and we got 2 finicky foolers and we're both jigging. So we'll see what happens. Marking a fish right now. Decent mark, it looks like. There's, I think, just a couple with it. Yeah, that thing a bit light. Probably a crappie. Well, we're gonna get back down there. Hopefully we get on a few more. It's kind of on and off snowing right now, but hopefully it stays overcast. And it'll be nice if that snow picked back up again. Hopefully it'll turn these crappies back on. Here's a nice one. Oh, we got him. A nice crappie. He fell off and I literally pinned him to the side of the hole. Yeah. Like he was almost to the bottom of the ice. Might have a crappie. Yep. Little one. He got bit by something. Nice one. Yeah. Ah. He's too small, but they're getting bigger. Another crappie. Small. Yeah, super small. Finicky fooler up with a decent fish, let's see. Pulling line like crazy. Got it, whatever it is. Feels nice. Looks like a northern, yep. Little northern. Line's off to the side. What do we got? Crappie. Ooh. Swallowed that pretty good. Crappie! No, it's small, but he swallowed it pretty good. May have to keep him. We might have to keep him. Well, just got this one on the finicky fooler and he swallowed it really good. He's definitely not going to make it, so we're going to keep him. You want to get this flag? All right, I'll get it. Literally saw this thing go up. Please be a nice crappie. God, whatever it is. Crappie, nice crappie. Sweet. It's a keeper. First keeper crappie on the finicky fooler. Nice. Thanks for letting me get it. Little guy. There we go. Seems nicer. A little bigger. We took a break, ate lunch, and the snow's picking up a little bit, and we're kind catching a couple more crappie, it seems, with the snow. There we go. They're a little bigger. Catching some, but they're small. Gotta be some bigger ones down there. Come on, eat it. Smoked it. This one feels nicer. Oh yeah, that's a keeper. He will eat. Good one. Looks like a nice one. Oh yeah, that's a keeper. Nice job. You want to come in this hole? Look. Really nice marks. Another one. We just had that one go up. I was putting it back down and this other one goes up. There's definitely a fish on this one, it seems. I just saw it pull line. God, whatever it is, it feels nice. It's got some weight to it. Oh yeah, crappie all tangled up. The bite's turning on a little bit, I think. It's just a little guy. Catching them numbers right now. No size. There it goes. That's a keeper. Good job. Nice, nice, nice. Get him, get him. Holy crap. That thing's a tank. That's huge. We'll keep him. That's huge. That's the biggest sunfish bluegill all weekend. There we go. Little crappie. We just got a flag. You want to get it? Mine's off to the side. I think there's a fish on it.
Yeah, there was. Or it was. Yeah, a little one. Nope. Wait.
Yeah, there's a fish. A little perch. What the heck? That's funny. Thing's tiny. That's a nice one. Little one. Little guy smoked it. Ooh, that one's got some weight to it, possibly. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's a great fish. Just got a really nice one. Crappie. Nice on the drop. That's a good one. Oh yeah. Yep. This one feels nice. Yeah, it's a nice bluegill. Real nice one. That thing's huge. Just, if he wants to run, let him run. What is this gonna be? Don't pull too hard. Holy crap. Is it head shaking at all? Probably northern. With all these runs. Holy moly, what is it?
Get ready to grab.
I think it's a northern. Yep, nice northern. Really nice northern. Wow, that's impressive.
Nice.
Dang. Jesus. Look at how you hooked them.
Oh. Oh, geez.
My gosh. Pull them up.
Okay.
Can't get a fish on a tip up. Catch it nice and jigging. Jesus. Alright guys, it's about 3 o'clock and we're picking her up. Got out here a little bit after 9 o'clock and it was snowing. And we got on the fish pretty quick. Had a couple nice crappie back to back and then it died off. As we got closer to noon, snow stopped. Wind picked up a little bit. And then it was kind of catch one here and there. Kind of during the lunch period. Ate lunch in a shack, came back out, and it was snowing a little bit again, and the wind died down, and the bite definitely picked back up, and it was kind of steady, just hole hopping around in like this 50-yard radius here. Caught a couple on the finicky foolers. I think we got 2 keepers on the finicky foolers, and the rest were pretty small. Olivia caught one nice northern jigging. We got a bunch of crappie and nice bluegill sunfish mixed in, so I think it's probably a 50-50 mix. But awesome day. We'll show you guys the fish when we get back to the cabin. So thanks for watching. Alright guys, we just got back. Got them all out on the table. It was a really good day. At 14 crappie and 10 sunfish slash bluegill. This is the biggest one. We caught a couple really big sunfish at the end. Here's one that Olivia caught, and then I caught that one up there as well. I mean, just really big. Awesome day out there. Thanks for watching.